Take command of the road in the 2011 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.